Hoshizaki. Hoshizaki is a global leader in the design, manufacturing, and marketing of equipment for the food service industry. Award-winning products, combined with an extensive sales and service network, make Hoshizaki the right choice. Hoshizaki stands out from the competition in 3 key areas: stainless steel exterior throughout our entire product line, stainless steel ice-making surface, individual cubes. Ice is one of the most important items served in any food and beverage operation. And if you don't think so, see what happens when you run out. Ice is no longer one size fits all. The latest trends show operators are demanding a variety of ice to meet each site application. Perhaps it's the cube ice for beverages or flaked ice for seafood displays. It's important to know which type of ice is just right. At Hoshizaki, we offer 3 styles of cube ice: our signature Crescent Cube, the IM Square Cube, and our AM Gourmet Cube, or top hat shape. Let's look at each type in more detail so you can determine how to specify just right for the operation. Our Crescent Cube has been called the world's most perfect ice, for good reason. Our exclusive design produces a hard, pure crescent-shaped ice cube. Cuber ice machines have features which differentiate it. The stainless steel flat ice-making surface is durable with long-lasting construction. This makes it easy to clean and produces clear, pure cubes. Individual square cubes are designed for the discriminating customer. These hard, large cubes are a favorite of mixologists for adult beverages and specialty drinks. Top hat-style cubes provide a hard, individual gourmet ice. They are perfect for offices, residential, rooms or suites, outdoor kitchens, healthcare. In the flaked category, we offer the traditional fine flaked ice and cubelets, a larger chewable ice. Ice is formed in a barrel-type cylinder, moved upwards through an extruding head, producing a dry, flaked or cubelet ice. Available in a wide variety of configurations, our cubelet ice offers fast cool-down with good displacement. It's a customer favorite because it absorbs beverage flavors, allowing them to linger on your taste buds. Popular in produce and seafood displays, as well as healthcare, our flaked ice is a moldable ice that quickly cools down and maintains freshness of foods. All Hoshizaki models have a stainless steel exterior, providing the perfect combination of sophistication and durability. Hoshizaki is Energy Star Partner of the Year. At Hoshizaki, our performance says it all. We rank the highest in efficiencies in our reported product categories for Energy Star. Hoshizaki, the right choice.